Loads of people have been making NFTs for the past few years, so I decided to try it out myself and set up a small collection of NFTs that people can get. But first, I needed an idea of what the NFT can be, and then the idea hit me. No, literally hit me. So if you guys didn't know, recently I've made a game that is going to be published soon to the Google Play Store and the App Store. If you want to know more about it, you can watch this video to find out more. So the idea that I got was making variations of the main character of my game as NFTs. So the first thing I did was create the assets. I used Aseprite for creating the pixel art assets, and I had to make 4 different categories of items: backgrounds, body type, face type, and also accessories. And I made a few variations of each category, and once that was done, it was on to generating the NFTs. So I got to work, and quickly I reached my first challenge. Not really a big one, but it required a bit of programming to solve. The problem was that I had to make assets and manually put them together, layering them one by one. And since I had a few ways of customizing my character, it would have taken a lot longer. So now I was on to the programming section, and for the simple layering program I wrote, I used the bellow library from Python. So I got to work writing the script, and surprisingly it was much easier than I expected. Now that it was done, I tested it out, and the program had generated over 50 different variations of the character, which was really cool. The platform I decided to put my NFTs on is one of the most popular ones out there, OpenSea. You may have heard of it if you know Bored Apes, Cyberpunks, and many more. So I connected my Ethereum wallet to OpenSea, and once I did that, it was done, and it was time to upload all the NFTs. But one weird thing I faced while trying to upload these NFTs were that I had to manually upload each one of them to the collection, which took a bit of time because the process couldn't be automated. In each of the universes, a version of Compy exists, and in each one of them, Compy looks a bit different, whether it's how he's programmed or how he looks. With the Compy's wardrobe collection, you'll be able to collect each universe's version of Compy, whether you would like the classic design or the newer designs with accessories. Over 50 NFTs are now available for purchase, so consider getting them if you're interested. This collection is based on the game I created called ENIAC Attack, which is going to be released soon into the Google Play Store and the App Store. If you want to know more about the game, consider watching this video, or visit eniacattack.com to find out more. All of the links and all the stuff I talk about in this video are in the description for you guys to check out. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed this video, please feel free to subscribe, like, and hit the bell icon to get notified every time I upload a video. Thank you for watching, and bye bye!